weather to tuni egg curry kahon kita nahi. I am cooking egg curry like comfort food because of the cold weather today. And since it is ready now for the garnish, I will put spring onions as a garnish or as a condiment like this. So it's now cooked. You can eat when my husband comes. Okay, it's ready. This egg curry is always my comfort food since this time I stayed in Mumbai during the monsoon season. Mumbai rain used to be so heavy, like sometimes 5 days raining, intermittently, sometimes 7 days. So from that time onward, I started loving this egg curry. I put a lot of chili flakes, therefore today I put little bit of sugar to balance it out.